Hello everyone, welcome to Cryptoverse. In today's video, we are going to discuss about what do you need to know about NFT. So nowadays there is a huge craze about NFT and you may be hearing this term again and again. So in this video, we are going to discuss about everything you need to know about NFT, like what is NFT, to how you can buy or sell NFTs. So let's get started. So the agenda of this video is to get you know about what is NFT, what does NFT stand for, how does it work, and how you can create and sell as well as buy the NFTs. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, NFTs are soaring in the crypto market this year. There may be not a single day where you don't hear about any NFT related news because it's the trend currently going in crypto market, and these NFTs are selling for millions of dollars in the form of either art or music or videos to even toilet papers. So you can say that NFTs are the current trend in crypto. If you are active in the crypto market, then yeah, you might be heard about NFTs by now, and you might be wondering what is NFT. So in this video, we are going to clear all your doubts about NFT, and also at the end of this video, we will be going to provide you a giveaway about an ebook on NFT, and that will be free ebook on Amazon, so you can read it through Kindle. So now there are three major questions we want to take before starting. So first one is what does NFT stand for? Then we will discuss about what is NFT, and the last one is how does it work. So NFT stands for non-fungible token. NFT is a non-fungible token. I think this the full form won't make you much clear like what is the purpose of NFT and what is meaning of this non-fungible. So I will going to clear this doubt in the next slide. So what is NFT? Now NFTs are digital assets that are unique and that have digital scarcity. So it means that any NFT cannot be duplicated or divided. They are digital assets, and moreover they have a scarcity in digital. They can't be unlimited or like hundreds of thousands of say similar kind. So NFTs can be anything. It can be digital collectibles, music, artwork, and either in-game tokens such as in-game characters or in-game swords or in-game articles. So NFTs can be ranging from a music, a video to even a in-game purchasable. So newcomers have a misconception about NFT as they think that NFT is all about digital art, but it's not true. NFT can be anything that I told you now. So it's actually a token, and that token represents a verification, or we can say a ownership, and it has a huge potential to make a lot of changes in different industries. So, for example, you purchase a NFT of music, so you will be having a ownership of that music. Neither you can able to download or do anything. And the ownership is recorded on a blockchain, and we will discuss how this all works in the next slide. So how does it work? First of all, when you buy a NFT from any NFT marketplace, you are buying a digital recording of ownership of that token. For example, you bought any music. So first, the music owner was someone else. So the ownership will transform from that person to you, and it can further transform from you to any other. And this is the transferring of ownership is taking place while you buy or sell NFTs. So where this recording or we can say the records are kept of who owns which NFT. So it is owned over blockchain. A blockchain is a ledger where these records are kept. And in a way, NFT represent guaranteed verification and ownership. So this was the process how NFT works. So let's move to the next part. So now how you can create and sell NFTs. To create and sell NFTs, the first thing you require is an NFT marketplace. And NFT marketplace, there are a lot of options like you can create, you can sell, you can buy, you can even purchase any NFTs of your choice by connecting your wallet. So in this video, we are going to talk about OpenSea, which is the most popular, trusted, and easy to use NFT marketplace. So basically, it is similar to cryptocurrencies exchange, but it is just for NFTs. In cryptocurrencies exchange, you can buy and sell crypto coins, while in NFT marketplace, you can buy or sell NFTs. So in there are a lot of exchange available, or we can say marketplace available for NFTs, and where you can just start by connecting your wallet. And in some marketplace, you even don't require any KYCs. So let's move to the next slide. Yeah. So how you can get started with NFT? So to get started with NFT, first you need to connect your crypto wallet. It can be MetaMask or any other wallet. Then you can create and complete your profile. And if KYC is required, complete if it is required. So these are the first starting steps. Now we will look how you can create your NFT in OpenSea. So this is the screenshot I had attached from the OpenSea platform. You can create your own NFT and put it on listing so you can sell it. You need to enter the details of NFT, such as you can see in the screenshot. You have to upload an image, then what will be the name of the NFT, the link you can choose. Then if it's a part of collection, then you have to include it in a collection, or you have to list like in which blockchain you want to sell this NFT. So these are the some of the mandatory details you need to fill, and after completing the details you can enter the price which you want to sell, and once completed your NFT will be listed to sell. Now we will see how you can sell your NFT. So you can sell either an NFT created or bought by you. If you had created an NFT, as seen in the previous step, you can sell that also, or you have bought from someone, you can sell that NFT also. So you need to simply go to your profile, select your collection which you want to sell, or from which collection you want your NFT to sell, and just click on that NFT. Now you will be on the NFT details page as shown in the screenshot, and you will get a sell button on the right top side. So when you click on that button, your you have to choose one desired price, and your NFT will be put on sale for that price. So next, you need to know about how you can buy an NFT. In the OpenSea homepage, you can see at the top bar, I had marked in the screenshot, there is one explore option. So you can go to that explore option and purchase any NFT you like, and you can filter NFTs as per status, price, collection, chains, or categories. And you can, out of the filtered, you can choose your preferable ones. So these are the steps you need to follow for buying, selling, or creating your NFT. Now the we have to come to the giveaway part. So this is the book that is written by me and my co-founder of Cryptoverse, that is Gaurav Sharma. So the book titles entitled "Why is everyone talking about NFT?" And in this ebook, we had covered each and every details very in a simple way, so anyone can go through it and understand the concepts behind that. So for this purpose, we are providing this ebook free till 12th Feb 2022, that is 12 p.m. So the link is given in the description below. You can go and give it a try. This won't charge you any penny, so we have kept this free till 12 Feb, and you can also share this with your friends who want to understand about NFTs. Yeah. So I hope that you have got to know a lot of details about NFT in this video. And to know more about NFTs, please go through our ebook on Amazon. And it is free of cost till 12th of Feb as listed. And if you are enjoying this content, please subscribe our YouTube channel, hit the like button, and follow us on Instagram. And you can also join our Telegram channel. So till then, guys, keep learning and keep buying and selling NFTs. Thank you.